Good morning, vlog. I'm so excited for today's vlog because I get to pick up my car. Well, if you watched my last vlog, I got in an accident, so I've been kind of in the house. I'm already really an introvert, but like I've really been introverted this week and like really just taking it easy. But I'm off today and I'm going to go pick up my car and run some errands, and I want y'all to come along. All right, y'all, so I thought my car was gonna be ready this morning, but it won't be ready till this afternoon, so that's annoying. But I was able to schedule a nail appointment, and so I'm actually on the way. I look oily. I'm so over like just sitting in the house, like I can't do it. I don't even want to be in a car, like I literally just want to walk and get like a breath of fresh air because
I love your shirt, it's so cute.
thank you. I never come to places and get tea, but I was like, let me just stop by and get some tea. Because I was feeling like I needed something in my system before I continued to walk. And it's freezing. What's up, y'all? Just now leaving. Got my nails done. It literally does not even look like I got my nails done. Y'all, I'm driving again, and I'm just grateful.